Using having clause. So today we are working on the voting DB database table word units using having clause. Having clause are added to SQL because where keywords could not be used with aggregate function. So for example now, this is a table with over 200 records and containing word and containing word and polling units. So to count the numbers of words, and group according to the words. So we are going to use an aggregate function of counts words. We want to know the numbers of words, comma, counting the words, then the name of the words, okay, count the words as word number. Count the polling units as polling number. So from the so I can get the numbers of polling units by counting the numbers of time the word appear, then the word name. I want the word's name to appear from which of the table? From word unit table. From word unit table. So now that I've issued group, did I need group now? So let's start with count first. Having goes along with having counts words having counts words. So having counts words because what goes along with an aggregate. So the total numbers of words is 600 and 6,388. So I will go back to edit my SQL and add group into it so that the name of the word, will appear. So we have to group it. For the name group will be added by a space group by, so that it will group by word. The name of each word will appear in the SQL, and the total units in each of the word will also appear. You can see these are the word, the polling units in this particular word. These are the polling units in this particular words. They all appear one after the other. Polling units words. So you have the polling unit, you have the word, you have the polling unit, you have the words. That's all about having clause. When you are using having clause, you use having clause for an aggregate function such as average, count, sum. So we count the numbers of words and we also group it by words. So thanks.